Welcome to Draw and Learn ABC Kids.
Welcome kids! Today you will learn about shapes. Subscribe my channel for more learning and fun videos. Thank you. This is a circle. This is a square. This is a triangle. This is a rectangle. This is an oval. This is a diamond. Now, this is a heart. This is a star. This is a hexagon. Let's learn with me again. It's circle, square, triangle, rectangle, oval, diamond, heart, star, hexagon. And the color's name, it's orange color, it's dark green color, yellow color, dark blue color, pink color, it's light blue color, it's red color, and it's violet color. Let's paint. Read with me. It's circle. Circle is round. It's square. Square has 4 sides. It's triangle. It has 3 curves like a pizza. It's rectangle. It has 4 sides. It is oval. It has an egg shape. It is diamond. It has crystal shape. This is heart. This is a star. Do you know star? It's a hexagon. It has 6 sides. Thanks for